What up, guys? My name is Cody. This is gonna be my first ever channel on YouTube. Basically a video channel just for me to help others and for others to help me financially. Just to give you a little basis of who I am and why I do what I do. I'm 24 years old. I used to be a heroin addict, a homeless heroin addict who robbed houses to support his habit, right? At the age of like 21, so now I've come out of that. I work basically 7 days a week. Just a year ago I was making $12 an hour, and within that year and a half or so I've bumped up to 16, about to move up to 18 now that I'm leading crews. Anyways, besides that, I own 2 brokerage accounts now with tons of different stocks, specifically mining stocks. I have started an IRA. I invest in crypto. I save cash, precious metals, specifically silver. I love silver. So I do all this, I think, because when I was homeless, I don't ever want to feel like that again. I would literally rob an old lady for $5 to feed my habit. Now I can blow $40 a day and not even know what I spent it on. You know what I mean? I don't know. So so that's kind of who I am and what I do. So I just specifically wanted to talk about crypto today, specifically Ethereum and Bitcoin. I bought into Ethereum when it was at like $40 early April. I did not expect it to go up this much this fast, right? And I'm happy with that, right? But what was it, like last week or early this week, it got up to 400, and that made me feel a little uneasy. I was dollar cost averaging all the way up to about 340, 350 probably. So I didn't just buy only at 45, but so it got to 400. I was on Coinbase, and it was so busy. I think it was Monday. It was so busy with traffic that I couldn't even check my balance in my Bitcoin or my Ethereum, let alone buy or sell anything. Let alone in the Ethereum price. I think that day dropped down to like 320, and I couldn't even buy it. By the time I came back online, it was like probably 350, right? So this combined with the price and Coinbase just being flooded got me nervous. When it comes time to sell and everybody starts selling, right? How are you going to get out? At least for me on Coinbase, it's just not going to happen. By the time you can sell, it's going to be so low that you lost, hundreds of dollars in profit. So I got out at 380. I was like, screw this. So that's what I did. Right now I'm just holding cash on the sidelines, waiting to jump back in. I bought in a little bit yesterday when it dipped down to like below 300. I put in another $200. I bought Bitcoin. I haven't sold any of my Bitcoin. I think that's still the best in the long run, just to buy and hold. But it was just compared to what it's been, 3,000 almost and stuff, I had to pick up a little bit at the prices yesterday. So that's just a little what's going on with me in my world. I have a Steemit account. My username is Cody2417, so follow me on there. I don't post daily, but every other day, put some knowledge on there, some good videos about what's going on in the markets, not just crypto too. I talk about silver. Like I said, I love precious metals. It's the best way to preserve wealth, specifically with silver. I own a lot of stocks, specifically mining. I'm also on Genesis, which if anybody watching this channel does not know what Genesis mining is, it is awesome, okay? When I first got into this, I bought a computer trying to mine my own, coins, and I used MinerGate, and I was getting nothing, basically. And I dropped like $1,000 on this computer. I mean, if you want to get any amount of coins mining, you have to drop thousands of dollars, and I just don't have the resources to do that or the time to figure it all out. So I learned about Genesis Mining, which is a company in like Iceland, I think, and they have a whole mining farm, like legit mining farm, and it just mines for Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, things like that. And what they do is they will contract out the hash power to you for a fee. And like with Bitcoin, you pay a fee and you get a lifetime contract for whatever hash rate you paid for, and like, so I get that sent to my Exodus account like every other day. It's, it's only like, I don't know, I want to say $5 or $6 in Bitcoin every other day, but that's pretty good for doing nothing. I don't have to worry about it. It just goes straight into my account. And same with Ether. But those are 2-year contracts. I got like five mega hashes of Ether contracts going, a little bit of Dash. So Genesis Mining is great. If you haven't heard about it, check it out. I got a referral link in my bio, which will give you 3% off your purchase, which is awesome. Another thing, BitConnect. I thought it was kind of a scam, and it might be, honestly. It might be a pyramid scheme. But at this point, it's so new, and so many people are jumping into this market. You know, it hasn't even gone mainstream yet. And it's like, even if it is a pyramid scheme, I don't care, because it's making me money. So I just want to say that as a disclosure right now. It very well might be a scam, but it's so new that I don't think it's gonna flop like like a Bernie Madoff or anything yet. I put in $100 worth of Bitcoin, and in a day I got $1 back just in interest. And my funds will be held up for 299 days. And just say I get $1 interest every day until then. That's pretty good returns, cash-wise. The price of Bitcoin might go up, so I might lose in terms of Bitcoin, but dollar-wise, I'm making money. So that's another cool thing. If you haven't heard about BitConnect, definitely go check it out. There's also a referral link in my bio. If you use that, that would be awesome. Helps me out, helps you out. Anyways, yeah, so hit like, subscribe, and see you later.